Hi guys, this is Mike.
And this is Ashley.
We're currently in ECQ or Enhanced Community Quarantine. Unfortunately, we don't have a place to feature right now, but still, we have ordered this, the Logitech
G633s.
G633s.
Okay, so let's proceed into unboxing of this headset. It's actually, once again, it's Logitech G633s. So before we unbox, I'd like to show the box itself. Okay, so this is what it would look like once we've done the unboxing. And on this side, it shows the technical specifications. Okay, it's actually a 50 mm. Okay, frequency response is like 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. The impedance is 39 ohms. It says passive. For the active one, it's 5K ohms. Sensitivity is 93 dB SPL slash milliwatts. I think it's MW. So microphone boom and microphone pickup pattern is cardioid or unidirectional, and the size is 6 mm. Frequency response 100 hertz to 10 kilohertz. Don't worry, because the specification will also be written on the description below. Okay. And okay, so all right, then this is pretty much what you can see, or this is actually like the characteristic of the headphone or the headset itself. Okay, this is actually wired. Okay, 7.1 Lightsync gaming headset. Okay, so this one, can you check, or can you actually discuss them?
Alright, so what it says here on the box that it is durable, lightweight stainless steel bands. Also, it has a customizable lighting with Lightsync RGB. So the one that has this blue strip right here, it's RGB and it's
Lightsync.
Lightsync capable. Next, it has comfortable sports mesh ear pads, and I believe these ones are washable, so you can detach them from the headset.
Okay.
And then it has three programmable G keys. So I think those are like those buttons has a mute button, volume control knobs, and of course those three programmable G keys are like used for macros if you're onto gaming. And lastly, it says here that it has large 6 mm or 6 millimeter flip to mute microphone.
Okay, cool thing. So it does have this as well. Okay, we won't actually get in onto that too much. So this one is just the logo. The logo. Okay, so now let's proceed into the unboxing. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so this is it. A box within a box. Okay. Ta-da! So that's what it would look like. It's actually kind of bulky, but I think the main purpose of this is, since it's a gaming headset, your ears, it's actually set to be more comfortable, especially if you're gaming like few hours, or like 2 to 4 hours, or sometimes around 8 hours per day. Okay, I don't know how to open this. Okay, so this is like a divider of some sort. Oh, it's not removable. And what does it have? This is a cable, guys. This one too, it's a cable. And okay, so these are the manual, the step guide, or well, setup guide. in Chinese. I think this is Chinese. If you can read it, then go ahead. But it also has English version here, and it has Chinese, and it's a combination. Okay, so let's remove it. I'm not into that gaming too much, so I think Mike can literally give us a few descriptions, or maybe could give us more insights.
Actually, we have mentioned it during while we are looking at the box. So right now, let's see what cables do we have. So it says here, if we look closely, um, this one is the 3.5 millimeter jack, and then this one is for the PC. So I believe this one is USB. Yep, it is USB. So you have two options. You can use this headset using a 3.5 millimeter jack or the USB. But of course, if you're going to use the Lightsync, you have to use the 3.5 millimeter, or I'm sorry, the USB cable.
USB cable.
So actually, can you remove the plastic? Yep. While I'm trying to connect the USB to
The laptop.
the laptop.
Okay, so this is what it would look like.
Okay, so I have the laptop here, our Asus laptop. So I'm going just to test the
It's kind of bulky.
the lights or the Lightsync, or how it illuminates. So we don't.
I'm guessing this is the one that would illuminate this part here.
So
This one. This one. Okay, so
let's try to find the cable connection. Where to put it? There we go. So if you look closely, this is for the USB, and then this is for the 3.5 millimeter jack. So
let's put it in. Okay. So he's connecting it to the laptop. Okay. Ta-da! It's actually lighting up, guys. Look at that. And it's changing colors. I'm not so sure. I haven't actually read the manual, but can you customize the lights or not?
we should be able to customize the lights, such as the Lightsync gaming mouse, along with
The speaker?
the speaker that we have.
Yeah, actually we bought the speaker. It's also lighting, and you can customize the lights. I'm not so sure with this one, but he said we can. So I guess we could. So I think it's not 360 degrees, but you can like twist it like that. So let's say you want to free your one ear, you could just move it like this. I suppose so. That's the purpose of that.
Actually, if you just want to hang it on your neck, so that's why it twists this way.
Oh, okay. Oh, all right.
And then let's just see some how do you pronounce that? Aesthetics? Aesthetics?
Aesthetics?
Aesthetics?
I
Okay.
don't know. It depends.
Okay, so this one here at the top, it's very soft, so it should be comfortable to
To your head
to your head.
when you wear it. Yeah.
This one here, and then next, yes, it is stretchable. So if your head size is large,
Like yours.
yeah, like me.
I mean that. Yeah.
Oh, even the G is illuminating.
Yes, that's what I would like to show them.
And then Regarding the
And I guess aside from gaming, you can also use it at work because it's actually, it says in here, what's that? It's what they call it? It's noise canceling.
yeah, it should be.
It should be noise canceling. Okay, so aside from gaming, perhaps you can use it in your work, especially if you're doing home base temporarily due to ECQ.
I hope you're still seeing the headset because it's getting dark. But the advantage of this one, or our advantage, is to show
show you
you
the
how
color.
it illuminates.
Okay.
Okay, so one more thing about this one. Yeah, where is the microphone? So
Oh yes. Okay, so if you were to call your fellow gamers, then it should have the microphone. I
it
think it should, we can twist it. I'm not sure what
it
part it.
should be hidden, or and then it's just retractable. So I'm trying to look for it.
Yeah,
Can you check on the manual while I'm trying to?
I can't see that much in light, but let's see what we could
Okay, I think I
do.
found it.
Okay.
Here we go. Oh,
Oh, okay. So it somehow the illumination for this one has been removed. So if you move it back, okay.
so mic turns off if you fold it back, and
Oh,
then
it
it turns
turns on when
when
you fold it down.
yeah.
When you put it down, so to
Let
speak.
me get
But still
uh,
illuminating here, okay?
let me get something because it's getting very dark. You might not see it.
We could actually test this one without using, or I mean using this one, the headset itself, just for us to see how does your voice sounds when you are using the headset. But anyway, he's gone into looking something. Okay, again, if I pull it down, okay, the color changes. Okay, it's like warning color. Okay. Oh, hold on. This one is also illuminating. The mouthpiece. Anyway.
So where's the retractable mic again?
This one. Yeah. So you can pull it up, and the G is changing its color.
All right.
Okay, so I guess that's it for today.
So I guess this is all for now.
Yeah.
If you have questions regarding this product, you can comment down below.
Yes, and again, we will put in the specification of this one on the description as well, so you can actually check it out. Okay, it and most likely basic explanation about the specifications too. So there you go. Oh, and wow, I like the cable. It's actually, yeah, it's actually cool. Reminds me of a AKG
Yeah,
headset.
it seems to be
The
feels like
cable.
nylon.
Yeah.
All right.
Anyway, so that's it. That's it for now. Oh, okay.
Oh, yes. All right. I guess that's it for now. If again, if you're interested on this product, you can comment down below or check the description.
Yep. It did. Alrighty. So thank you so much, guys. And once again, this is Ashley.
And this is Mike.
Have a good one.